As devices get smaller, requiring more features within the same footprint, the need for ultra-compact connectors become critical. At Molex, we have pioneered a breakthrough in miniaturization, creating the world's smallest connector, Quad-Row.
Quad-Row Connector is a super space-saving board-to-board connector, which is half of the pitch compared with existing connector. The majority of usage is smartwatch and also mobile phone.
You keep adding more features to them, but they don't get bigger. That means we are packing more and more into those devices. So that was the inception of Quad-Row. How can we get something drastically smaller than what is available in the market today?
This innovative solution reflects the relentless engineering and global collaboration that defines Molex.
通常の製品は2列のコンタクトになっておりますが、Quad-Rowは4列の接続をさせることによって、Quad-Rowの最大の特徴であるスペースセービング化に貢献しております。従来の製品と比較しまして、35% ほどのスペースセービング化に成功しております。大きさは米粒サイズのコネクタになります。
Molex engineers collaborated with an industry leader in consumer devices to create the world's smallest connectors, setting new standards in space-saving innovations.
When we develop our Quad-Row product, we work closely with our customers, not just customer design engineer, but also manufacturing engineer. We work together to understand their needs and how we can support their needs.
We went to some of the flex suppliers, some of the PCB board designers. We got their feedback. They saw the early versions of the product. We tried it and we fine-tuned it together with them.
Having close discussion with them, adjust the design, modify the product design, then we make it final Quad-Row design.
That helped us to create a better product.
Precision automation is integral to our process, driving superior quality and efficiency to deliver measurable value to customers worldwide.
For us to make a product which is radically smaller than everything else, to have a process that can support manufacturing that product in large volumes. Luckily, we have a group of clever engineers in our team who've been able to address those challenges.
Continuously supporting for customer is our culture, and we are sure that such a supporting attitude makes customer reliability.
The Quad-Rows that were made last year are not necessarily the Quad-Rows we make this year. We're going to need different variations of those. In the last 3-4 years that we had the product in the market, we see more and more applications adopting Quad-Row as their go-to solution.
At Molex, we redefine possibilities by delivering exceptional value and innovative solutions to our customers. Together, we are creating connections for life.